When changing spark plugs, you can do a lot of things wrong. But the worst mistake of all is not using a torque wrench and only tighten the new spark plug with gut feeling. That's what happened to this spark plug here. It's broken because it has a loose ceramic. Therefore, it's extremely important to use a torque wrench when mounting spark plugs, and the correct torque for each spark plug can be found on the packaging. The C-ring is compressed, the housing is stretched and the crack appears in the thread. The spark plug leaks and combustion gases flow to the outside. This leads to inefficient combustion, spark plug failure and finally even engine damage.
The downsizing concept in GDI engines leads to reduced space in the combustion chamber. Therefore, the entire system of components like injector, spark plug and the combustion chamber design is optimized. As you can see here on our demonstration model of a GDI cylinder head, the remaining distance between the spark plug and the injection valve is very small. For this reason, the electrodes of the spark plug must be positioned exactly in the area of the ignitable mixture. It is crucial that the air-fuel mix reaches the gap between the electrodes unhindered. Therefore, the ground electrode needs to be positioned correctly. Bosch developed special spark plugs for GDI engines. This Bosch Evo spark plug here, for example, is equipped with an oriented ground electrode and a solid seal ring. These features ensure that the spark plug arrives at the right position and installation depth in the combustion chamber. The only thing you must keep in mind is using a torque wrench. You can find the correct torque for each spark plug on the packaging. For more information, go to our website. You will find the link down below.